Teacup was a tiny little doggy in a very big world. However, Teacup thought of herself as a very big doggy in a very little world, and she dreamed of seeing all of it. So one day, Teacup took the leap. Wahoo! The world turned out to be a little bigger than Teacup thought. Mama? Teacup ran for the door. On the other side, the world was a great deal bigger than she imagined. Wowza! And a little bit scary, until Teacup made a friend. "Caw!" asked Crow. Then Teacup made another friend, and another. It was an entire tea party. They had fun playing together. With friends, the world didn't feel so very big anymore. Then Teacup's tummy rumbled. "I'm hungry." What to do? She couldn't eat acorns like squirrel. She couldn't eat nectar like butterfly and bee. And she didn't want to eat bugs and worms like crow. Mama would have dinner waiting if she could only find her. "What's got you down, little one?" asked Crow. "It's time to go home, but I don't know how to get there," said Teacup. Then she tilted her head as doggies do when a big idea is coming to them. "Aha! Crow, may I hitch a ride?" asked Teacup. "Sure," said Crow. "Climb aboard." Suddenly, Teacup felt big again. It was terrific. Flying with Crow made the world look very little and a lot less scary. Good friends make everything possible. Mama was so glad to see her wee doggy. Teacup told her about her big adventure and all the new friends she made. Bark, bark, bark! She looked so forward to flying with Crow again, but for now, Teacup just wanted dinner and a good night's sleep. And from that day forward, something changed about her nightly routine. Teacup had a new habit of nesting in very high places.